In this video, I'm going to break down two ways or two things that you can do to set goals for your project that I've personally done that I wanted to share. So the first thing that you want to keep in mind is what is the desired result. Whether you are maybe a designer or maybe you're a marketing agency, you work with clients, or you run some type of app, website, or software as a service, what is the desired result? What is the desired result or desired outcome of that specific goal? So let's set a perfect example. Let's say you have a goal of you're working on a project for a customer. So the goal is maybe you want to increase revenue, you want to increase leads, you want to bring more leads in, you want to improve maybe the design of the website. So whatever the desired result is, once you know that, it can help you set a goal because you have the result. Then you can look, okay, how can I get from where I am to that result? Let's say you want to increase the amount of leads that sign up for this website. So right now we have no leads, but we want to increase the amount of leads. What do we need to do to get from here to here? Once you have this defined, that's how you can set goals for the project because you have a clear definition of where you are and where you want to be. Something else that I would recommend that I do or to keep in mind is that little steps add up. So if you go back to this example of you trying to get more customers and more clients, realize that this is not a one-day thing. So just little by little each day, whatever your goal is, however you're trying to get there, maybe you have a goal of, okay, we want to post 2 YouTube videos a week. So 2 YouTube videos every time get there. It's not that you try to maybe, oh, let's post 10 the first week and then we can skip some. It doesn't work like that. Even if you miss a chance, it's just a matter of little by little. Whatever goal you're trying to get more customers, maybe you're trying to get more users for the app, maybe you're trying to get more leads in. Whatever the end goal is, little steps. And then, of course, if you find that something's not working, then you can go and make changes. But it's never like a quick thing. It's always gradual. So those are just two things that I'll keep in mind when you're looking to set goals is realize that little steps add up and also look at the big picture, see the desired result, and then look at how you can get there. And setting goals for product is a great way to make sure that you're focused. So what we actually have is if you come here, let's open this in a new tab. What we actually have, you know, we can just come in here and type this. So we actually have a weekly goal spot. So all you do is you come in here and you can add a weekly goal. So let's say that we can say reach out to 10 companies a week. We'll add that in there, come back here. Now we have our weekly goal. Now, of course, I would like to make this a little more dynamic and add some extra features to make this weekly goal more make it more pop out more. But of course, you can add your weekly goal in here along with your project. So that anytime you come to your dashboard, you can just skim here, okay, what's the goal that we're trying to hit? Whether it's weekly, daily, monthly, whatever it be, whatever goal you're trying to hit, you can just add it into your project dashboard to help keep you focused on what it is that you're working on. So if you're interested in this project management tool, you can come to Squash.app. You can learn more about this tool. You can try the demo out, see how it can help you. You can watch this short video that we have here just to get an idea about how Swazzer can help you as a tech entrepreneur, whether you're a web designer, you're a web developer, you own an agency, you run a software as a service, you have apps, maybe you're a marketing agency, any tech entrepreneur, this tool is built for you as a solopreneur to help you organize your project and ideas. And one more other thing that we wanted to add is if you come in here, let me see if I can pull this up. Let me pull this up here, is we are actually building a task feature. So now you're going to have the ability to add your task in here, but not only your tasks, on each individual project, whatever task you have will show up here. So that way you are not confused at all about what task that you're trying to accomplish for your project. So that's just a little update we wanted to share with you. But once again, if you're interested in the tool, come to our website, swazzer.app, to learn more about how it can help you as a tech entrepreneur organize what you're working on.